So, you've got your shiny new YouTrip card, ready to conquer the world, one swipe at a time. But how do you actually load it up with cash? Let's dive right in. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what YouTrip is. It's essentially a multi-currency wallet that lets you spend overseas without the hefty bank fees. Think of it as a digital travel wallet, ready to be filled with your favorite currencies. Adding funds to your YouTrip wallet. Now, onto the main event, how to add money to your YouTrip wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the YouTrip app. Fire up the YouTrip app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the top-up section. Once you're logged in, look for the top-up button. It's usually prominently displayed on the main screen. Tap on it to proceed. Select your preferred currency. You'll be presented with a list of currencies. Choose the currency you want to top up. Input the amount. Key in the amount you wish to add to your wallet. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account. Choose your payment method. YouTrip offers various payment methods, such as direct debit. This is a convenient option where you authorize YouTrip to directly debit your linked bank account. Pay Now, Singapore. If you're in Singapore, you can use Pay Now to transfer funds to your YouTrip wallet. Other payment methods, depending on your region, you might have additional options like credit card or other local payment methods. Confirm the transaction. Double-check the details, including the currency, amount, and payment method. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Wait for the funds to reflect. It usually takes a few minutes for the funds to reflect in your YouTrip wallet. In some cases, it might take longer, especially during peak periods or system maintenance. Tips for a smooth top-up experience. Ensure sufficient funds. Always make sure you have enough money in your linked bank account to cover the top-up amount. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for a seamless top-up process. Update your app. Keep your YouTrip app updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches or compatibility issues. Contact YouTrip support. If you encounter any problems during the top-up process, don't hesitate to reach out to YouTrip's customer support for assistance. Adding money to your YouTrip wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. By following these guidelines, you can easily top up your wallet and start enjoying the benefits of hassle-free international spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.